They are getting ready for the tone test. So to pass the time, I'll just get some video of the deputy chief's car and the ladder. Ford Explorer deputy chief's car. Now the reason I'm doing this again is because they're doing the tone test, and I have a problem with missing it on video, and I'm desperate to get it today, so I will. That's the deputy chief's car, and ladder 1, and then rescue 2, and then engine 1, and then rescue 1's over on the other side. Last time I started videotaping, it was 5:58. They should announce when they're getting ready to do it, so when they do that, I'll shut up. But Ford Explorer, Pierce Arrow, they're going to 6 o'clock chimes any second now. Ford Explorer, Pierce Arrow XT, International Horton, Pierce Arrow XT, and another International Horton. This is the busiest station in the department out of the 3 fire stations they operate out of. They did operate out of 4 before they closed one down.
Both sides at 18:35. Time 48 minutes tomorrow morning.
I don't believe it. There they go. There you have it. And I think I heard their phone ringing in the background, so there may be an emergency. But I'm not going to promise anything. But yeah, I've been desperate to get their tones on video. Unreal. Okay, there's no emergency. But that's about it for now.